your laptop, your mobile phone, everything works on 0 and 1. But what if I tell you there is one computer which can work on both 0 and 1 at the same time? Welcome to quantum computing, the next big leap in technology. In this video, you will understand how it works and why it matters. Before jump into quantum computing, let's revisit the classical computing which we are using since our childhood. Classical computer use bits, the smallest unit of information, which can be either 0 or 1. Everything from a YouTube video to your bank transactions, everything is the combination of these bits. These bits go through with the logical operations by using gates like AND, or NOT gates. And this model is called deterministic model. It means the outcome is predictable. Now, here's the thing get more interesting. Quantum computer use qubits, not bits. And I am telling you, qubits are really special. Unlike the classical bits, a qubit can be 1, 0 or both at the same time. And this property is called superposition.
And there's more. Like when two or more qubits are connected, that is called entanglement. This means the state of one qubit instantly affects the another one, doesn't matter how far apart they are. Quantum system also uses interference like wave overlapping to eliminate the wrong answers and boost the right ones. So, is quantum computing is just the fastest version of classical computing? Not really. It's completely different. Classical computers are great for app, games and separate sheet. But the quantum computer sign in solving very complex problems like cracking encryption, searching huge dataset faster, or simulation of particles for drug discovery. Problems that could take thousands of years to solve it classically. But with quantum computer, we can solve these things within a minute. Now, you might be wondering, is these all things is theoretical? I'm telling, not at all. IBM, Google, and startups like Rigetti already builds the real-time quantum computers. You can access some of them for free of cost, free on cloud, on platforms like IBM Quantum Lab or Qiskit. Just a recap. Classical computer uses bits, whereas quantum computer use qubits. And superpositioning, entanglement, and interference give quantum its power. Also, quantum computer is real and it's already here. In the next lesson, we will deep dive into qubits and how it works. If you are excited to learning this in this manner, please hit the subscribe button and proceed to the second lessons. And also, if you have any query or comment, please leave it in the comment section. At the end, I will only tell you, let's go beyond the classical, let's go quantum. Thanks. See you in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any query or suggestion regarding this, please leave it in the comment section. You can also find me over my Twitter handle @AVI Tech Support, or you can directly email me at wdavinash@gmail.com. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you so much again to being with me, and see you in the next video.